If you enjoy working outdoors, love staying active, and have an eye for detail, starting a pool cleaning business could be a great way to turn your passion into profit. With countless pools needing regular upkeep, there's always a demand for reliable service to keep water crystal clear and equipment running smoothly. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to connect with homeowners and property managers in your area, becoming their go-to expert for pool care. Not only can you build a successful business doing something you enjoy, but you'll also help people maintain their pools in top condition all season long. First, let's get through the most important benefits of starting a pool cleaning business. Low startup costs are a big advantage when starting a pool cleaning business because you don't need a lot of money to get going. The equipment, like pool brushes, vacuums, and chemicals, is affordable, and you don't need to rent a shop or office. This makes it easy to start the business without taking a big financial risk. Since you spend less in the beginning, you can focus on getting customers and growing your business, while keeping more of the money you earn early on. Flexible schedule is a great benefit of starting a pool cleaning business because it allows you to set your own hours. You can choose when to work based on your availability and your clients' needs. This flexibility is especially helpful if you want to balance other commitments, like family, a part-time job, or personal interests. During peak seasons, you can take on more clients, and in slower months, you can reduce your workload or even take time off. This control over your schedule gives you more freedom compared to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Starting a pool cleaning business offers great networking potential because it gives you the chance to connect with homeowners, property managers, and other local businesses. As you build relationships with your clients, they may refer you to their friends and neighbors, helping you grow your customer base through word of mouth. Additionally, by working closely with other service providers, like landscapers, contractors, or real estate agents, you can create partnerships that lead to more business opportunities. Strong networking can also help you learn from others in the industry and stay informed about new trends, making your business even more successful. One of the great aspects of a pool cleaning business is its potential for growth, giving you the ability to expand as your client base increases. You can start small, managing a few clients on your own, and gradually scale by taking on more customers, hiring additional staff, or upgrading your equipment. Over time, you can diversify your services by offering pool repairs, equipment installations, or maintenance for larger commercial pools. This flexibility allows you to grow your business at your own pace, aligning with demand and boosting profits without overwhelming yourself right from the start. While starting a pool cleaning business offers numerous advantages, it's important to also consider some potential challenges that come with the territory. Seasonality can be a significant drawback of running a pool cleaning business because it often leads to inconsistent income throughout the year. In many regions, demand for pool cleaning services peaks during the warmer months when people are using their pools regularly. However, during the colder months, many pools may not be used, resulting in a drop in business. This can create financial uncertainty, making it challenging to budget and plan for expenses during the off-season. As a business owner, you may need to find alternative sources of income or savings to manage this gap, which can be stressful and may affect your overall financial stability. Limited demand can be a con of starting a pool cleaning business because not everyone owns a pool, and the cost of installation and maintenance can be quite high. This means that your customer base may be restricted to wealthier neighborhoods or areas with a high concentration of pools. If you're operating in a region with fewer pool owners, it may be difficult to find enough clients to sustain your business. Additionally, during economic downturns, people may cut back on non-essential services like pool cleaning, further limiting your potential market. This can make it challenging to build a steady income and grow your business over time. Another challenge when starting a pool cleaning business is the need to learn specific skills and knowledge. You'll have to understand things like pool chemistry, maintenance tasks, and how to fix equipment. This learning process can take time and effort. If you make mistakes, such as adding the wrong chemicals, it could upset your customers or even damage their pools. At the beginning, this can slow you down and make it harder to gain confidence with clients. Additionally, if you're not familiar with the tools and equipment, it might take a while to become quick and efficient, which can affect your productivity and earnings early on. While considering the pros and cons of starting a pool cleaning business is essential, it's equally important to know what tools and supplies you'll need to succeed in this venture. To start a pool cleaning business, you can begin with just a few essential tools for effective service. A pool skimmer removes surface debris, while a pool brush scrubs walls and floors to prevent dirt and algae buildup. A vacuum thoroughly cleans the pool floor, ensuring clarity and hygiene. A telescoping pole helps you reach all areas easily, and hoses connect your equipment for filling or draining the pool. A leaf rake collects larger debris, and test kits measure chemical balance for a safe swimming environment. You can start with these most essential tools and gradually scale your equipment as your business grows. This allows you to expand your services and improve efficiency without a large upfront investment. Starting small lets you build a solid reputation while determining which additional tools will benefit your operations in the long run. While not typically the primary focus, safety gear is an important consideration when starting a pool cleaning business. Using gloves protects your hands from harsh chemicals and sharp objects, while goggles safeguard your eyes from chemical splashes and debris. Wearing appropriate footwear can also prevent slips and provide comfort while working around pools. Even though you can start your business with basic cleaning tools, investing in safety gear ensures you protect yourself while handling chemicals and working in potentially hazardous environments. Prioritizing safety helps you work more confidently and reduces the risk of accidents, contributing to a professional reputation in the long run. When starting a pool cleaning business, it's important to have the right chemicals to keep the water clean and safe. You'll need chlorine to kill bacteria, pH increasers and decreasers to balance the water, and algaecide to prevent algae growth. Shock treatments quickly boost chlorine levels after heavy use, and clarifiers help clear up cloudy water. Having these chemicals ready ensures good pool maintenance and a safe swimming experience for your clients. Transportation is important for a pool cleaning business because you need to visit your clients' locations to provide your services. A truck or van is ideal for carrying all your cleaning tools and equipment, making it easy to transport everything you need. However, if you can't afford it at the beginning, you can use your personal car as long as it has enough space for your supplies. This way, you can still start your business without spending a lot of money up front. As your business grows and you get more clients, you can always invest in a larger vehicle later on. Depending on where you live, you might need a license to start a pool cleaning business, so check with your local authorities to see if you need one. We strongly recommend registering your business legally to comply with local laws. To make it easier, we've prepared a simple guide on how to register a business in each U.S. state. You can find a link in the description of this video. This will help ensure that your business operates safely and legally. Additionally, when you register your business, you will need a website to promote it effectively. IKOL is the perfect solution for pool cleaning businesses. With features like online payments, bookings, client management, and invoicing systems, IKOL has everything you need to run a successful operation online. Simply visit ikol.com and click Get Started. Select Service, search for pool cleaning, choose the services you want, and click Continue. Fill out the required information and your website will be ready to manage your clients in just a few minutes. Your website will allow customers to easily book your pool cleaning services online, and all booking details will be organized in your calendar. This lets you focus on providing excellent service instead of juggling tasks. Clients can also request a quick quotation for selected services, making it easy for you to follow up and gather more details. You can access this information in your Leads tab. Most importantly, the AI-driven chat feature will save you hours by answering inquiries from potential clients and turning curious visitors into informed customers. All of this comes with an affordable subscription, so you won't need to spend thousands of dollars to set up a website for your pool cleaning business. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn how to make the most of your IKOL website. Now that your website is ready, let's explore some effective ways to promote your business. Social media is a great way to advertise your pool cleaning business. It helps you reach many people quickly and show off your work with before and after photos and videos. You can connect with customers by answering their questions and sharing special offers. Posting positive reviews and helpful tips also builds your reputation as an expert. Plus, targeted ads allow you to reach specific groups in your area. By using social media well, you can increase your visibility and grow your business. Digital ads are a great way to promote your pool cleaning business and reach new customers online. Platforms like Google Ads and social media let you create targeted ads that focus on people in your local area looking for pool services. You can highlight your services, special offers, or customer reviews to grab attention. Plus, you can set a budget that fits your needs and change it as necessary. Using eye-catching images and clear messages can encourage people to click on your ads and visit your website. Digital ads also allow you to track results, helping you see what works best and improve over time. By using digital advertising, you can grow your customer base and boost your visibility. Word of mouth is a great way to advertise your pool cleaning business. When happy customers share their positive experiences with friends and family, it can lead to new clients at no cost to you. To encourage referrals, provide excellent service, and ask satisfied customers to recommend you. You can also offer discounts or rewards for referrals to motivate them. Building strong relationships with your clients makes them more likely to share their experiences. In a community where people trust personal recommendations, word of mouth can really help your business grow. Local advertising is an effective way to promote your pool cleaning business within your community. You can start by distributing flyers or postcards in neighborhoods with pools, letting residents know about your services. Placing ads in local newspapers, community boards, or magazines can also help you reach potential clients. Additionally, consider partnering with local businesses, such as pool supply stores or landscapers, to cross-promote each other's services. Attending community events or fairs can give you the chance to meet potential customers face-to-face and showcase what you offer. By focusing on local advertising, you can build relationships within your community and attract more clients to your pool cleaning business. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can thrive in this industry. Best of luck on your journey, and we wish you great success in your new venture. IKOL, AI for Business.